Hi everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So two things I want to mention before we get into this video. My dogs are under the desk, so if you hear breathing or snorting, that is what that noise is. And the second thing, I woke up so weirdly sick, and I've been sick today, like I don't know what's happening. So if I seem a little like not enthusiastic about this video, it's not that, it's because I feel super just unwell. But I thought I definitely want to share this with you guys in case you are looking for an office chair, because they are currently available. So I was actually surprised by my husband with this chair that I'm sitting on. So it actually doesn't have like a specific brand or anything like that. This is the box. So this was purchased from Coles supermarkets in Australia, and it just says Best Buy event. This is like the details on the side. Yeah, it really doesn't have any like branding or anything on it. It just says office mesh chair, comfort and style for your home office or work from home setup. Maximum weight 120 kilos, high spring sponge cushion, all day comfort, smooth wheels, breathable mesh, height adjustable and easy to assemble. So that is the box, just for reference. So if you guys see this in store or anything like that, that's what it looks like. So in the instructions, it does say it takes about half an hour to put together. I actually did try and put it together myself, and then I did need some assistance from my husband. It just gets to a point where it doesn't tell you where to put the, I think it's the tilt tension. It like skips that. So I don't know why. And then a bolt wasn't like completely screwed through. So those two little things I definitely needed help with. Now I do have a home office that I do work from pretty much every day. So I was using more of a accent chair before, and I thought, no, I definitely need an actual office chair, because if I'm sitting here all day, I want something that's better for your back, more comfortable. And so yeah, it's been probably like 2 months that I've been looking, and I literally went to Coles like yesterday. I saw it, I mentioned it to my husband, and he did surprise me with it for Valentine's Day. So romantic, but I really needed it. So also these do retail for $59 because the sale was over, and they were reducing the prices. So he got this for $49, so not too badly priced. My thoughts. So putting it together definitely took longer, but it is quite simple. The actual product, now the armrests are just plastic, which is fine. The overall chair, I mean, a $60 chair, it's obviously not going to be amazing. It is quite a cheap product, I would say. Like, there's nothing that really stands out. The back is actually really comfortable. I like where like the mesh sits in my back, and it does honestly just feel really nice and supportive. The only thing that I would prefer is if the cushion, like the actual seat cushion, was thicker, so it was more comfortable. I will obviously put some overlays, or I will show you the chair in a moment. But in my honest opinion, do I think that this product is worth it? I think it is reasonable if you are on a tight budget and you are needing an office chair. If you do have a bigger budget, I would probably suggest looking at Officeworks. I know they do have a wide range of things, or even check on Marketplace, because you can get chairs for quite cheap that are good quality. So definitely check that out. But let me show you. So my office is an actual mess at the moment, but this is it. And there's my dog. So yeah, the mesh back's really nice. It does go up and down. There were some dents on that like silver frame, but yeah, this is indented, which I don't love. But that is it, and this is what the back looks like. And you can do the tilt like tension as well underneath. But as you can see up the top, it is quite poorly made. There's like little threads coming out. I haven't sat at this much today. So yeah, it's quite cheaply made. But as I said, definitely if you are on a budget looking for something cheap, check out Kohl's. I think Aldi have a special buy as well that comes up once a year. But yeah, if you have this chair, let me know your thoughts, or if you have purchased a really good affordable office chair in the past, let me know what you have got. I would love different suggestions maybe to look into in the future if this one just doesn't work out. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.